Good morning, students. Already we learned in 11th standard different programming languages we learned. What are the means? HTML and then JavaScript. So these are language we learned. In 12th standard, we are going to learn PHP. PHP is also a programming language. It is used for designing websites and then web-based actions fully. And now we are going to learn the lesson name is conditional statement. So we have totally 18 lessons in 12th standard computer application subject. So now we are going to see lesson number 6, conditional statement. So conditional statement means it is whatever we are going to do anything depend on the condition. Like other programming language, PHP also make a different decision depend on the condition. So conditional statement is very important in all programming languages, include PHP, Python, C, C++, whatever it is. And now we are going to learn PHP. So PHP means hypertext preprocessing. Hypertext preprocessing. So now PHP is used for designing web pages, and so we are going to learn conditional statement. So conditional statement is depend on the condition to satisfy the user needs. Okay, and then now we are going to learn types of conditional statement. Here. Totally 4 types of conditional statement. The first one is if statement. Second one is if else statement. And third one is if else statement. And finally the fourth one is switch statement. Now we learn what is if statement. So already I told the conditions is made a true as well as a false. I am going to make a alternative decisions. If I am coming to school means I am reached within 9 o'clock. So if I am coming to a road, there is repair work is going on the road. So what I think, I am going to school depend on the time within 9 o'clock. So lot of road available to reach our school, but we need within 9 o'clock. So we are going to take a alternative path to reach our school. So the same like day to day we are going to make different decisions. Okay. So if statement means to make decisions only true. For example, if means the statement executed true block. True block only. Okay. The syntax of if statement means how to declare the if statement. That is called a syntax. Okay. The syntax of if statement means if we are giving a condition whatever it is. If condition, and what is it is code to be executed. Okay, so the if statement mainly used for the block is true. Okay, so the block is true means I'm going to check voting eligibility. So we are going to perform PHP program. Okay, so now I'm going to tag you here PHP. It is a syntax for PHP declaration. So PHP tag question mark, and then it is a statement of PHP. It is defined the programming languages PHP. If I'm going to give a condition, whatever it is, so I'm going to give a value something. Now listen. So I'm giving the value x is equal to 20 because 18 ages is eligible to give to put on vote. Okay, so that time I'm going to give a age is 20. I'm give a variable name is age. So whenever we give the variable name, definitely you should put dollar symbol because this dollar symbol is indicating the name is variable. Why we are using variable name means whatever we are going to give a value within some name, it is hold the value to the name of age. That means it is called a variable name. So this variable holds the value 20. Okay, is it clear? Now listen. This age is 20 is eligible. I'm going to check it is eligible for voting or not. So I'm going to give a if statement if the age greater than or equal to 18 because voting ages is 18. So 18 ஆகவும் இருக்கலாம் or is 18 க்கு அதிகமாகவும் இருக்கலாம். That person is eligible for voting. Okay, I'm going to give echo statement. So echo statement means printing statement. Whatever we give within echo statement, it is printed on the screen. Okay, now listen. So this age is 18. My value is 20. So it is satisfy the condition. So the condition is true. Now, so it is. I'm going to print you are eligible for vote. So whatever it is, you are going to give a printing line within double quotes. It is directly print on your screen. Okay. Now next we are going to learn. First we learn if statement, and the next topic is if else statement. So compare with the if and if else. The if statement is check whether only the true block. The if else statement is set of code is executed true as well as false. Okay, so now I'm going to give as example of if else statement. Now listen. So I'm going to give a tag of PHP because we are going to write a PHP program, and then now I'm going to declare a variable to hold the value of something. I'm going to find a given number is odd or even. So we know that even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8 are different, and then odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, etc. So I'm going to check. I'm going to give a one number. So for example 29 is my number. I'm going to check this number is odd or else even number. Okay. Now I'm going to give a condition because this if else statement make a decision true as well as a false. Okay. Now I'm going to give a condition if this variable, what my variable modulus divided by 2 equal to 0. That means my variable is $x. I'm going to divide the x value. What is x value means 29. So I'm going to divide a 29 divisible by 2. This divisible answer is get 0 means it will print echo it is even, because 2, 4, 6, 8 divisible ஆச்சுனா அது என்ன நம்பர் அப்படினு பார்த்தோம்னா even numbers. ஓகேங்களா? divisible ஆனா even numbers. அப்படி sometimes that number is not divisible by 2. That time I am going to give a else part. So else part is a false block. Okay. So if the condition is true, this code is executed. This line of statement is executed. If the condition is false means else block is moved. That is called alternative. We are going to choose a alternative path of make a decision. Okay. So I am going to print echo it is odd number. So now listen carefully. My value is 29. So 29 divisible by 2, is it possible? Definitely is not possible, because it is remaining 1. So now it is jump to the else part. So now here output is it is odd number. Okay. Now the third title is if else statement. If statement is executed only true block, and then if else statement is depend on the single condition, it will execute true as well as false, depend on the single condition. If else statement is depend on the different condition and then different action, it provide the as well as different result depend on the condition. Okay, I'm going to give us some example. So if else statement is a different condition statement, so I'm going to give as well as we are going to give a PHP tag, and then I'm going to give a variable $x equal to -30. So now my concept is I'm giving a number. It is a negative number. I'm going to check this number is positive or else negative or 0. So now I'm going to take a 3 condition. First one is positive, next one is negative, and then third condition is 0. Okay, I'm going to give a if statement is a positive block. Okay, if $x, my variable is $x greater than 0. $x greater than 0, it will execute echo x is positive number. X is a positive number. Is it clear? Now I'm going to give a else if second condition. If else if I'm going to give a second condition. This is a first condition. I'm going to give a second condition. $x less than 0. If my value less than 0 means it will print echo it is negative number. Okay, and then the third condition is as well as else block. So if the condition, first condition is false and then second condition also false. It will automatically move else block. It is echo. It is 0. Now I'm going to check the output. What is my output? So now my value is minus 30. So minus 30 is less than 0. I'm giving the condition greater than. So here the condition is false. So it will automatically move to else if block. Now my value is minus 30. So it is less than 0 is true because minus 30 is smaller than 0. So the output is, it is negative number. So third type also complete. Stop it.
Action.
Now I'm going to reach last topic, switch statement. So this three types is different as switch statement because if statement is check the condition is true only, and then if else is depend on the single condition, it will execute it true as well as a false. And then nested if else statement, that means if else statement is depend on the different condition and it will provide a different result. Here switch statement is alternative of if else if statement because there we are using a different condition and then different result. Here we are using a single condition. It will match us the different cases. It will going to match our different cases. Which cases match on this statement, it will execute on this program. Okay. Now I'm going to give an example. So compare with the if statement and switch statement, both are same, but it is we are using a different condition. Here we are using a single condition. Is it clear? Now listen. I'm going to learn switch statement. So switch statement also is a very easiest statement. We are going to make a different decisions only depend on this single condition. Is it clear? Now listen. Dollar favorite color. Favorite color. I'm going to give a PHP tag because we are going to write a PHP program. Is right? My favorite color is blue. So my favorite color is blue. I'm going to check a blue color is matched or else not. Okay. So now I'm going to give a switch syntax. Switch. What is my variable name? Dollar favorite color. So this is my syntax of switch statement. I'm going to give a curly brace. It is a block starting stage. So the first case is favorite color is red. So already I told different cases is available. I'm going to match my favorite color. Okay. So here the first color is red. So if the color is matched means it will provide echo statement. My favorite color is, what is that? Red. Okay. So after I'm giving the break and second case is blue. So my second color, I'm choosing a second color is blue. If it is match means it will print echo statement. My favorite color is blue. Okay, and then again I'm going to give a break statement. Why we are using a break statement means, if the color is matched means it will print on this line, it will terminate this block of code. So that's why I'm going to use a break. So, and if the colors are not matching means, I'm give a default statement, echo not matching. Okay, so now listen. So what is my favorite color? My favorite color is blue. So this switch statement carry out the color is blue. So it will go to check a first value. So blue is equal to red. Is it matching? No, it is not matching. So it will automatically move to the second case. Automatically move to the second case. Again I am going to check a matching statement. Blue is equal to blue. Because my value also blue, the statement value also blue. So it is matching. So my output is my favorite color. What is that? Is blue. Okay. This line of statement will be executed. So if I am giving my value is green, what happened? So first block is check red is equal to green. It is not matching. Again it will move to the next block. So blue is equal to green. It is also not matching. What happened means, that time it will execute a default block. So default block like a else block. Default block is like a else block. It will execute. Answer is not matching. Okay. So is it clear? So this is a very important, because we are going to choose alternative decisions in our programming language. Not only this type, we are giving a different example, like here we are using odd or even, positive, negative, and then eligible for voting or not. You choose a lot of numbers. Okay, so I'm giving a simple homework. So you find I'm giving 3 years, 2021, 2095, and then 3022. So I'm giving 3 years. These 3 years you check it is leap year or not leap year. Okay, you just practice this question. I'm giving a 3 values. Okay, 3 values. You check it. This numbers are leap year or not. So first of all, I explain what is leap year. Leap year is come up 4 years once. 4 years once is come leap year. So you check these numbers are leap year or not. Thank you, students.